Hi guys! Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate your support. It's a brand new week, so welcome to my first CVS couponing haul for the week of May 16 to May 22nd. And today guys, I am so excited to grab some deals, especially the Tide Laundry Detergent deal guys, because I'm already out and I need to stock up because my neighbor will just knock on my door and buy some. So please stay tuned. I will go over with each deal that I grabbed today, show you my receipts and the final cost of each item. And if you are new to my channel guys, welcome. My name is Vanessa. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I mainly coupon in CVS and Walgreens because those are the only stores that are walking distance from home and I still don't drive. And I am only using digital and printable coupons. So I am already outside CVS guys, so let's go grab those deals. Hi guys, so these are all the items that I got today in CVS. So this is my first CVS couponing haul for the week of May 16 to May 22. So the first deal that I grabbed guys was the Schick refill. This is buy 2 get $8 extra bucks, and I grabbed this Schick Hydro Skin Comfort Slim Head Sensitive. This is $14.99. And I have a $5 off Schick Men's Hydro Refill CRT, and also have a $4 off Schick Men's Hydro Refill CRT. Plus, I have a $4 digital coupon for this. And then I added this Skintimate refill here, priced at $11.29, and I also have a $4 digital coupon. Since I have a $6 off $30 Any Shave CRT guys, I added the Nivea deal. Nivea is buy 2 get $5 extra bucks, and I grabbed this Nivea Shave Gel priced at $4.79. So total of the two is $9.58, and I have a $2 of 8 Nivea Men Shaving Cream. So total of these 4 guys is $35.86. So I can use my $6 of $30 Any Shave CRT. And total coupons is $25. And I made a mistake. It's an honest mistake guys. I used the $2 of 8, not thinking that it's a threshold and it will not come off in the register because the total is only $35.86. If I have to use this, I need to meet the total threshold, which is $30 plus $8. It should be $38. So I'll show you shortly guys the receipt and what happened. So here's my receipt. As you can see guys, the Nivea Sensitive Shave Gel here was adjusted to $2.79 because just like I said, the $2 of 8 CRT did not come off. I was not thinking, and I told her that I have a $2 of 8. It was my mistake, but then she adjusted the price of the Nivea Shave Gel to $2.79. Then here's the Skintimate refill, $11.29, and the Schick Hydro refill, $14.99. So all of my coupons came off guys. Here's the digital coupons, $4, then the CRT. So here's my $6 of 30 Shave CRT, and then my $5 off Schick Men's Hydro Refill is here, and my $4 off Schick Men's Hydro Refill came up also. The $2 of 8 Nivea Men's Shaving Cream will not really come off because my total for the 4 is only $35. So that is why. Then I rolled $10 extra bucks for this, making my subtotal 86 cents. And I paid $2.95 after tax, but I did not use any of my own money here guys because I got a Visa card from my Listerine deal that I did in Walgreens. And here's the extra box for buying the Nivea, $5. And the $8 for buying the Shek refill. And for my second transaction, I did the Tide, CoverGirl, and the Paparazzi. I combined these four because I have a CRT, guys, which is $8 off $40 your next purchase. So for the Tide is buy 2 get $5 extra box, and it is on sale for $11.94 each. And I have a $3 digital coupon, and I have a $3 of one printable coupon that I printed from PG Good Everyday. So total of the two is $23.88, and total after coupons is $17.88. And I earned $5 extra bucks, making my cost $12.88. But this is not the final cost yet because I have the $8 of $40 next purchase CRT. So please stay tuned, guys. Then I grabbed the CoverGirl deal. CoverGirl this week is spend $15, get $6 extra bucks, and in the ads it says that you will get a free mask. I did not get mine because my store does not have stocks. So I grabbed this CoverGirl Invisible Concealer priced at $7.99. And I have a $3 of one CoverGirl Face Product printable coupon that I got from coupons.com. And then I grabbed the CoverGirl Perfect Blend eyeliner priced at $7.29. And I have a $3 of one CoverGirl eye product printable coupon. So total after coupons is $9.28. But I got back $6 extra bucks, making my cost $3.28 for both, or $1.64 each. Then the Paparazzi deal is buy 2 get $4 extra bucks, and it is on sale for 2 for $5. And I have a $1 Paparazzi CRT that is attaching to this, making these two completely free. So here's my receipt. So here's the Tide, guys, $11.94 each. Then the CoverGirl Invisible Concealer, $7.99. And then the Perfect Blend eyeliner here is $7.29. And the Paparazzi, 2 for $5. Then all of my coupons came off. Here are the $3 for the CoverGirl. And the other one is for the Tide. Then here's the digital coupon for the Tide, $3. And my $8 of $40 CRT, then my $1 of Paparazzi. Then I rolled a total of $23 extra bucks, making my subtotal 16 cents. Plus tax, I paid $2.57 using my virtual Visa card. And here's the extra bucks for buying the Tide, $5. $6 for buying CoverGirl. And then $4 for buying the Paparazzi. Then for my next transaction, I am so excited for this, guys, because I got my little one a Huggies Little Swimmers. She likes water, so she will really enjoy playing in the water using this Little Swimmer swim pants. So the Huggies is on sale for 2 for $20. And when you spend $20, you get $5 extra bucks. And I have a $1 of one digital coupon for pull-ups. And I also have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Little Swimmers. And I also have a $2 of 2 any Huggies CRT. And then I also use my $5 off $25 any purchase CRT. So I added the Junior Watkins hand soap for this transaction, guys. I just saw it there when I was walking around. This is $5.19, and when you buy one, you get $2 extra bucks. So here's my receipt. So here's the Huggies, 2 for $20, and the hand soap, $5.19. So the $5 of 25 came off here. Then also my digital coupon for Huggies 150 and the $1 and the $2 of 2 Huggies CRT. And then I rolled a total of $15 extra bucks, making my subtotal 69 cents. Plus tax, I paid $1.53. So here's the extra bucks that I got for the Huggies and the $2 that I got from the Watkins hand soap. So let's go with the final numbers, guys. Let's compute all of this and find out how much is the cost per item. The total amount of all of these products is $103.21. Total coupons used was $53.50. So total after coupons is $49.71. But I earned a total of $35 extra bucks, $8 from Sheck, $5 from Nivea Men Shave Gel, $5 from Tide, $6 from CoverGirl, $4 from Paparazzi Nail Polish, $5 from Huggies, $2 from the Watkins hand soap. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch and I got $1 for purchasing Huggies. So making my final cost $13.71 for 13 items or $1 each. It's not a money maker this time, guys, but it's okay because I got a big bottle of Tide too, and then the diapers that we will really use for my little one. So it's okay, guys. I still save a lot. So that's it all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about couponing and follow my journey of savings, please consider to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, guys, so you will be notified when I post my new videos. And please comment down below, guys, what are the deals that you are grabbing this week and share with us. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye!